Put the kids in the house. No way, baby! And we must worship. Look at that oil on his smoke. The incense aroma from the temple. Leave him around on the road, baby. Oh, want to chain it down and try to jump off. Take a look at that. I gotta get water on the road. Oh, the oil pressure was phenomenal. 100 pounds of oil pressure.
So what's the date on that stuff?
What's that?
What's the date?
Today is one of the last days of December, 1993. 5 long years to hear the beasts come up from the depths, from the center of the earth, to cast its presence and demonic powers on the face of the board. That was a first time shot, baby, firing right up. One timing adjustment, no adjustments necessary. Fuel pump, of course, there's no water in it. We'll have to get water. It's a water pool. But it's well, baby, there's squirting everywhere. There's no doubt where the beast is. Oh, I forgot to tie the bolt down. Oh, shit, time to take over. Where is that later? Yeah. Well, we heard the rumbling of the beasts. Needs a bell, too. Bye!